Hi, I'm Matt from MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included when you purchase one of our diesel gauge packages. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included in our MaxTow Match triple gauge package for 4th gen Ram trucks. So in this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI boost gauge, a 1500 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge, and a transmission temperature gauge, all featuring a factory match display with a dimming button on the front. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI boost gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, a 52mm 1500 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, and a 52mm transmission temperature gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging, we have a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 3-foot EGT probe with waterproof connector, a 6-foot EGT sensor harness with waterproof connector, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with waterproof connector, a temperature sensor with waterproof connector, 3-gauge power harness, a Cummins Boost bolt adapter, pressure sensor, transmission line T-fitting, mounting brackets with hardware, a complete replacement factory color match triple gauge pillar pod with pillar mounting bolt, gauge visors for sun glare, and installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit us at maxtow.com.